thirsty crow. One hot day, the crow was flying in the sky. He was very thirsty and wanted to drink some water. He looked around and saw a pitcher with a little water at the bottom. He flew down and landed on the pitcher. He tried to reach the water with his beak, but it was too low. He stretched his neck as much as he could, but he still could not touch the water. He felt sad and thought, how can I drink this water? He looked around and saw some pebbles on the ground. He had an idea. He picked up a pebble with his beak and threw it into the pitcher. The water level rose a little. He kept picking up pebbles and throwing them into the pot until the water level was high enough for him to drink. He drank the water happily and flew away. So kids, the moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way.